gbogbo ọmọ ìyá mi jẹ́ kí n já ẹ sí àṣà àwọn kan wà gbélé pawó náà pè wọ́n ilé náà ti ń pawó gbogbo wa wá láti nàìjíríà sọ pé a wá sílùú òyìnbó a wá greener pasture kówó lè pé là ń ṣe wàá ṣiṣẹ́ láàárọ̀ wàá lọ ṣe uber lọ́sàn-án wàá lọ ṣe skip lálẹ́ at the end of the day tó bá máa pa gbogbo owó yẹn kọ́ bíìlì alanúlẹ̀ báyìí dé ẹ̀ kó tó pa ó ti san bíìlì at the end of the day tó bá pẹ́ pé kó wá mú kan wá a máa kanra torí pé kò sówó kankan níbì kan pọ̀ àwọn kan wà nílùú ìgbélé pawó náà pè wọ́n orí íńtánẹ́ẹ̀tì orí ẹ̀rọ ayélujára náà ti ń jáwọ́ wọn ìyàwó mi ló já kíní yẹn ló já sí kíní yẹn ló wá rí pé àwọn kan wà ó wọ́n ń pawó níbì ló wá já mi sí ẹ jẹ́ kó gbé yín débẹ̀.
ẹ ǹlẹ́ ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi ẹ wo orúkọ mi jẹ́ Ọlámídé orúkọ ọkọ mi ni Táyọ̀ adẹ̀ǹgbé ní Canada pẹ̀lú àwọn ọmọ wa ẹ wo legitimate way kan wà tẹ́tí lè máa pa owó from the comfort of your home using your phone or your laptop. And it's a plug-in system. It's a system that was already created by somebody else. So you are just coming in to start working on the footprints of other successful people. Sherry, eléyìí kò gba kólekóle, kò ṣe kìràkìtà, kò ṣe kàlòkàlò, kò ṣe yìí jẹ yóò jẹ. Business tí mo ń sọ yìí, it's a legitimate side hustle tó jẹ́ pé àtúnsan taxes wà ní. You can incorporate this business. Lawyer ń ṣe, doctor ń ṣe, nurse ń ṣe, pastors ń ṣe. Kí ló dé táwọn èèyàn yìí ṣe ń ṣe? It's the freedom lifestyle that this business affords you that makes all these people that are already earning incredibly in their profession to start doing this business.
That's it.
Advice kan tí mo máa ń fáwọn èèyàn ni wípé Sherry, when you are following your passion, also follow trend. Trend yìí wà. We all know that this is a digitized era. So jẹ́ pé even under 10, under 20s, they are making incredible income online. Ó dẹ̀ yé mi o. Irú àwa báyìí, especially people in my age, ó máa ń ṣòro fún wa láti sọ pé a fẹ́ try nǹkan àbí láti sọ pé a fẹ́ gbójú wa sórí social media. But we have a simplified method to help people my age or people in diaspora to earn online without really stressing themselves up with the 7 to 10 jobs and different shifts tá à ń ṣe. Èmi bí èmi ṣe wà yìí, èmi ti reduce hours mi ní shift. I will be your mentor. I will coach you on the right steps to tread on to be able to succeed in this business. See, you're coming to work on the footprints of successful people. It's a digitized business that you don't need to carry products to up and down. You don't need to bug family and friends to come and buy products that they don't need. You don't need to start thinking of how do you send your product to your customers. You don't need to think about which product is selling best in the market. No, at all. It's a complete system that is automated that even works for you when you are sleeping. It is a business you can start now whilst you still have that your job and begin to build it so that even when you are so that you can number one retire early, so that you can even when you retire you can have a form of a passive income that keeps generating money for you even when you are not even working again. So many people have done this business and they've paid off their mortgages in less than 3 years. Some people are doing this business to save for their children's university school fees so that they don't start their children up on paying bills and debts and loans. Thank you. So many people have done this business so that they can travel anywhere at any time so that they don't have to keep saying yes sir to somebody else. What are you waiting for? Era yìí, digitized era ni. Party go and attend online. Birthday and share online. Preaching and go online. So why can't you start making money online? See, ele ogba kole o. Click on that lemon button. We will send you a link to a free webinar that can supply all the information that you want, and then you can take it up from there. This is not by force, but at least avail yourself of that information, and then you can learn and see if this is something you think you can do or something that runs with your kind of lifestyle. It is time to give yourself that freedom. The earlier you sort out your financial life, the longer you have to enjoy it. Mo wíire àbí mo wíire?
Mo wíire. Má gbà fúnra ẹ lọ́dún yìí o.
No grief for yourself.
See